What's up, everybody? So I've been away for a while. I've been busy, as you can see. So yeah, there's one of the versions of my mask. It's the prototype. I think that's the first one I ever printed. I've refined it since then, and I have different versions of the half face mask. Uh, just finished up Samus not too long ago. It had some flaws, but it actually came out really good. And I've corrected those errors or problems in file. I have the Ultramarine from Warhammer. Excuse my messy desk, it's a working environment. But, as you can see, the detail is pretty damn good. Yeah, and I think I finished this a couple days ago. May from Overwatch even got her glasses and the hairpin. I was gonna do the little ornament dangling from it, but I thought that would have just been too much for the printer. But yeah, sorry, everything's kind of wet. I washed a couple of these off. Still got a primer May and Samus, but yeah, that's what I've been doing. I actually have my bike, the power bike from Akira, Kaneda's bike, printing right now. I'll upload a video when that finishes, but this is what I'm doing right now. I'm actually selling 3D prints. You can contact me by email. It's okinawa4k@gmail.com. And yeah, just if you have questions, feel free to ask. All right, folks. Peace.